Hello! On this video, we will show you how to use the Timetable engine to view the compatibility of study schedules. You can find a link to the Timetable engine either in the Calendar drop-down menu on top of the page in Pakki, or if you scroll down on the front page of Pakki. You can search and view schedules in the Timetable engine without logging in. If you log in, you can create and edit your own study schedules. We'll talk more about logging in later on in this video. We'll begin with the different search functions. You can search for study schedules either by using the implementation search or the group search in the calendar view. If you use the implementation search, first select search criteria in the drop-down menu and then the time range. Write the search word in the search field and click Search. A list of results will appear underneath the search field. You can filter the results, for example, according to language of instruction or location. You can see more information about the implementation by clicking the Info button. You will see basic information about the implementation, a link to a more detailed implementation plan, and the reservations made for the implementation. If there are scheduling groups on the implementation, click the arrow next to the search results. You can see the schedules of the scheduling groups by clicking the Info button, and you can select the scheduling group by clicking Add. If there is any overlapping between the reservations in your calendar and the search results, you can see the amount of overlapping in hours. Click Add to add the implementation to your calendar. If you use group search, write a part of the name or code of the group and click Search. A list of results will appear underneath the search field. Click Add to add all of the group's reservations to your calendar. You can navigate in the calendar view by using the arrow and Today buttons on the top left corner. You can edit the calendar view with the buttons on the top right corner. Click the reservations on the calendar to see more information about them. Click Show Implementation Data to see more information about the implementation as well as its reservations. Click Hide Event to hide the event from your calendar. Hidden events can be restored to your calendar by clicking Show Hidden Events. Index shows you the contents of your calendar, and you can remove contents by clicking the Recycle Bin icon. If there is room in your calendar, you can use Free Period Search in the calendar view to find more studies. Click or paint an empty slot in your calendar, and the Free Period Search will open. You can filter the results by time, duration, and place. You can also edit the time you have selected and click Set. The search results will appear underneath the search criteria. Click the Info button to see more information about the implementation as well as its reservations. The overlapping column shows you the amount of overlapping in hours between the reservations in your calendar and the search results. Click Show Overlapping to see details. Click Add to add the implementation to your calendar. If you want to create or edit your own study schedules in the Timetable engine, log in the top right corner. You will first see the Current Events view, which shows you the current day's events on your default schedule. When you first log into the Timetable engine, the program will create an automatic schedule for you based on the implementations you have enrolled on. You cannot add content to your default schedule, but you can create a new schedule in the Calendar admin view, which you can access by clicking the arrow on the top right corner. You can create a new schedule by clicking Add New Calendar. Give the schedule a name and click Save. The new schedule will now also appear in the Schedule drop-down menu on top of the page. You can edit the name of the schedule by clicking the arrow next to the schedule. You can, for example, set the new schedule as your default schedule, which will open every time you log into the Timetable engine. In the Calendar admin view, you can add events to your calendar, such as reservations made for your student group.